For more than 100 years, Babcock University has educated and empowered its students. Today, more than 10,000 students walk this campus, and only about 8% are Adventist. This ratio provides the opportunity to share Jesus with many who don't know him.
And as an institution, our passion is to reach out to many of these students that are here for education, but we want them to know Jesus before they leave the four walls of this institution.
By keeping Jesus as the center focus in and out of the classroom, many students have come to accept the gospel and share it with others.
Our vision is that we'll be able to model Christ to them in such a way that they will be disciples in their various homes, and thereby gradually Seventh-day Adventist Church will be a household name in the whole country.
In addition to providing a spiritual atmosphere on campus, students are encouraged to serve the local community. Babcock University provides many opportunities for students to volunteer their time to meet the needs of their neighbors. Recently, a large group of students and faculty visited the local community to provide free medical clinics. The students want the people to know that they care about them, and there is also a God who loves them.
In everywhere we find ourselves, to lift Jesus Christ up in our acts and deeds, so that our walk will be our talk. And through that, our students will be able to really know that we are passionate about Jesus Christ and the soon return of the Lord Jesus Christ.
The response has been very positive, and Babcock is well known in the community. The students and faculty at Babcock believe it is important to start learning from a young age. Raising the children in ministry is a big focus of the institution. Many university students volunteer to help run children's programs. There are hundreds of youth who are eager to take part in programs that Babcock offers, and many of them don't know Jesus yet. They represent various religious backgrounds, but they all love to learn about Jesus. Unfortunately, these children don't have a consistent place to learn. Their activities are often put on hold until a space opens in one of the campus buildings, or they can conduct programs under the trees. Sometimes a rainy day makes this impossible. Babcock University plans to build a youth empowerment center to give the children a stable environment where they can come to learn and invite their neighbors.
And where we are standing here, behind me is the site allocated on the master plan of the university for the University Empowerment Center, the one that we call Youth Empowerment Center. It's going to be a center where we are going to be training all our children on so many areas of the church: the spiritual, the academic, the physical, the intellectual, and the social knowledge.
They believe that by training the youth, they are empowering them to impact others.
Presently, on my list, I have more than 400 to 500 youth registered within the church here. There's no place to give them previous knowledge, empowerment, to plan for the future, to do our outreaches. For example, we run so many outreaches within the community. We need to plan ahead. We don't have a place to keep our materials, to keep our equipment. Moving them up and down has damaged all of our equipment. We should know that our children are also fragile. We need to care for them. They need to be cared for. We should remember they are very strong, they are very young at heart, and they want to work, they want to use and spend their energy for Jesus Christ.
This quarter, a portion of your 13th Sabbath offering will help build a youth empowerment center on Babcock University's campus so that the next generation will be trained to share Jesus with their community. Your offerings will also help build a school in the country of Gabon that will offer Adventist education to hundreds of children who currently don't have access to it. Thank you for your support of the mission offering.
I want to thank the World Church, the General Conference, and our donors for their effort in making sure that we have a befitting worship center for our children. And I'm showing forth our appreciation to the whole church at large. That God bless you, God bless your ministry, And I pray that God will continue to uphold us stronger to preach the gospel to the end so that Jesus will come soon